Welcome to our channel, Nature's Herb. The wonderful world of watermelon, more than just a sweet treat. Welcome to a journey into the heart of summer. Today, we're diving deep into a fruit that's synonymous with sunshine, hydration, and pure deliciousness. The watermelon. But this isn't just about its irresistible taste. We're going to uncover the incredible uses and surprising health benefits of this magnificent melon. From backyard barbecues to beach days, the watermelon is a star. Its vibrant red or pink flesh, dotted with edible black seeds, and its refreshing, subtly sweet flavor make it a global favorite. But beyond its obvious appeal, watermelon is a nutritional powerhouse. Let's explore its many facets. First and foremost, watermelon lives up to its name. It's approximately 92% water, making it an exceptional hydrator. In our busy lives, staying adequately hydrated is crucial for everything from cognitive function to maintaining energy levels. Watermelon offers a delicious and natural way to replenish fluids, especially on hot days or after exercise. But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Watermelon is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system, protects your cells from damage, and is vital for healthy skin. You'll also find vitamin A, which is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. And let's not forget important minerals like potassium, essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Plus, a good amount of magnesium, which plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. For a healthy heart, look no further. Watermelon is a fantastic source of an amino acid called citrulline. Once consumed, citrulline is converted into L-arginine in your body. L-arginine is crucial for the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax and widen blood vessels. This process can improve blood flow, potentially lower blood pressure, and contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Don't underestimate the role of fiber. While watermelon is mostly water, it does contain dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. It also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts, pay attention. The citrulline we just talked about also has potential benefits for muscle soreness. Some studies suggest that consuming watermelon juice before or after intense exercise may help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time, thanks to its ability to enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscles. Want a natural glow? Watermelon's hydrating properties and rich antioxidant content make it a beauty booster from the inside out. The high water content keeps your skin hydrated and plump. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, crucial for skin elasticity. And lycopene helps protect against UV damage, contributing to a healthier complexion. Now let's talk about the incredible versatility of watermelon in the kitchen. While a simple slice is heavenly, the culinary uses are endless. Fresh and sliced, the most classic way to enjoy it, perfect for picnics and snacks. Fruit salads, a vibrant addition to any fruit medley. Smoothies and juices, a refreshing base. For a healthy beverage. Sorbet and ice cream. Create delicious, naturally sweet frozen treats. Grilled watermelon, a surprisingly delightful savory option, especially when paired with feta and mint. Watermelon salsa, a fresh and zesty accompaniment for grilled chicken or fish. Infused water. Add chunks of watermelon to your water for a subtle, refreshing flavor. Salads, sweet and savory. Pair with savory ingredients like feta, basil, and balsamic glaze for a gourmet experience. Rind usage. Don't throw away the rind. It can be pickled or stir-fried in some cuisines, adding another layer of nutritional value. So, there you have it. The humble watermelon is far more than just a sweet, watery fruit. It's a hydration hero, a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants, and a versatile culinary ingredient. Next time you reach for a slice of watermelon, know that you're not just enjoying a taste of summer, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Embrace the wonderful world of watermelon and enjoy its refreshing taste and incredible benefits.